Welcome back, guys. We just hopped off the plane, fresh on 1 hour's sleep on an overnight flight. Guess where we are?
We're at the dealership. We just probably landed about 4 hours ago. And as you know, the previous cars we've been doing have all been rented. We've had the DR, we've had the Hyundai, we've had the Mini.
The Mini wasn't rented though.
We've had the...
The Mini was legit, but it doesn't work in terms of suitcases, etc.
100%. We had the Slingshot. Very awesome, very impractical. So because of all of that, because they're so fucking expensive, we're now looking to the Audi dealership to hopefully buy something today.
We need something big, basically, so we're just checking it out.
What is the biggest, baddest, blackest
Whoa.
thing that they got?
Is that the ultimate descriptor?
It's gotta be black. You're making me nervous here.
Okay, we're going with black.
Yeah.
Batmobile. Let's do it.
Sport seats. Obviously, whether it's from here or somewhere else, like the ones on...
Here's the dilemma, guys. Check out the stitching. That's badass. And the difference between the cool stitching versus the no stitching is 40 grand. Is it that cool though?
I think it's more. I think it's more.
It's more than 40 grand actually.
We just had an issue with the Airbnb in Canada. So I just thought, let's get a car, go through Europe. Change up the plans. Nice.
You know what I realized, you guys? I got a peak of excitement when I first saw the car that really lit my heart on fire. And that excitement then mellows out, as excitement does. And I realized that that level is the exact same level that I would have hit a year and a half ago from smelling a nice cologne. I used to collect colognes. So if we just extrapolate the data, last year it's colognes. 1 year later, it's $160,000 cars to get the same level. Starting to think I'm cooked. Okay, so the Audi dealership didn't actually have a good car that we wanted. They just didn't have it in stock, which is a shame. But I'm looking at Auto Trader right now. They got some cool ones, they got some mean ones. Yo.
No, I trust you about.
You sent me half?
Yes, and you are. Remember.
Mean, red stitching.
Black. Red stitching. Yeah, red stitching.
Oh, yeah.
Not the RS, just Q8.
Okay.
Yeah, I trust you.
Yep, you got it. Yeah.
We are.
Okay, gang, I am off to the dealership. As you can see, I'm in a beautiful car right now. This is what I'm upgrading from. Mini Cooper. It's chill. Jasmine, you want to show them? You want to show them around?
See what I'm filming.
I mean, it's mega legit. It's mega legit. It's not road trip worthy, mainly because there's not enough space. Yeah. About the space thing. So obviously Adam wanted me to get a Q8 or an RS Q8 or an SQ8. And he sent me half for that. The thing is, it's not very cool. If I remember correctly, I think I remember correctly, he said, I want it black, I want it mean, I want it red stitching. He basically just said, make it badass. I hope I get it right. I don't want to come home with the wrong car now, do I? That would be terrible. That would be terrible if I came home with the wrong car that happened to be so cool. This car has done me very well. Let's not pretend that it isn't good. It's a Mini Cooper type thing. But I think given, you know, how successful we've been abroad, it's only right that when we come home for a couple of weeks, we spend some cash and we actually treat ourselves. Because we haven't bought anything. We don't have anything that's like actually ours. We rent nice Airbnbs, we rent nice cars, but when you live abroad and you live out of a damn suitcase, what can you actually buy? What can you own? Clothes? I don't really care to spend money on clothes. I see people buying designer clothes all the time and they look crap ass. Handmade leather jacket. Class. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing to buy. Apart from a cool car. I hope Adam's not too mad. Oh, he's gonna be mad. It's just... I'm the best younger brother ever. To put it simply. If we're being honest, guys. Hold on a minute, let's just do a quick, let's do an acceleration test on this Mini. That was up to 50. Safe to say the 0 to 60 is pretty crap. I like this car, it's got personality, you know what I mean? It's just time for an upgrade.
Beautiful. Baby's out picking up the Q8. Coming up, got to board the luggage, get everything ready, a few final checks, but the route is England to France, to Switzerland, to Italy, to Slovenia, and then Croatia. That's the first final stop. It's not going to be Romania anymore, actually. Well, we'll do that in the future, like after Croatia, but we're probably going to do like a month in Croatia, get some more sun, and then as it moves into winter, go to Romania, maybe Hungary, maybe Slovenia. You heard my list, it's pretty long. Yeah, just waiting for him to come, get it packed, get it ready, get it moving. I hear him. Jesus, that sounds good. I'll buzz him in. What the fuck has he done? What? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? I said SUV, Audi Q8.
You said R8?
You're such an idiot.
What do you think?
I mean, it looks insane. Looks insane. It's not that practical with the luggage. Not very practical with the luggage. Yeah. Jesus.
Holy moly.
Probably that it's impractical. We need an SUV. We're heading into the winter in Romania with snow.
Wait till you see the 0 to 60 though. Give it a spin. Come on.
I'm definitely giving it a spin.
Oh look, you said you wanted the
What
red
the
sticker.
fuck is that?
$4 grand stuff off because we need good music, right? You know there's no boot.
That's an engine, there's no boot.
The red stitching one.
Red stitching.
Yeah, I got it though. When you said it looks mean, you look cool.
Suave essa! Sell, where you there? Major!
Wait, one thing I want to say? Yeah, I take it easy. Take it easy, because no, I'm saying.
I'm not gonna just rip it, am I? It's a brand new car, I'm not gonna rip it.
Oh, shit!
Ridiculous. Yes, they are. Shit, those brakes are good. Ceramic. I got the best spec'd out Audi we could possibly get. You said you wanted understated.
Yeah.
This is as understated as it gets. It's got carbon where everywhere can be carbon.
world is this understated?
Listen, it's all black.
Jesus. It's all black. Wait, so why did you choose this over the R8? Over the Q8?
Listen. We'll just pack light. I'm just thinking.
Yeah, but why?
You said right.
Why?
You said.
What made you do it? We had the R8. Sorry, we had the Q8 at the dealership. We had it.
Okay,
It
okay,
looked good.
okay. If I was about to drop 140 grand on a car, it has to be cool. Sorry, the other one looked like a dad could drive it. I'm 19. It's like regular traffic. You wouldn't even think a thing.
Yeah. Let me just confirm that.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only time. And who can say if you
Fucking hell! I changed his mind. He likes the car.
I'm sold.
Changed his mind.
Think it's a keeper? Don't need to exchange?